Hello! As a passionate bargain hunter and expert on product reviews, we wanted to share with you a special product that we recently came across. In this video review, we'll give you useful information about the product so you can determine if it's right for you. Some of the details we discuss in particular include features of the product, specifications, the performance, and many other attributes that are important to know about. Once you've finished watching our review, you'll be in a much better position to determine if this is a product that you should purchase. If you're ready to get started, then check out the video right now. We hope you enjoyed the review. We appreciate you watching and hope that you learned a lot about this exceptional product. Being a dedicated bargain hunter, we've already included a special discount in the description below to help save you money. So visit now, indoorbikeReview.com. Bye! Hello! As a passionate bargain hunter and expert on product reviews, we wanted to share with you a special product that we recently came across.